Let's talk about something that most men honestly have very little understanding of, and that's how a woman actually falls in love with a man. From a biological perspective, men and women are very different from one another. We're wired differently. Our hormones operate differently. And in many ways, women tend to be far more complex when it comes to emotions than men. But that doesn't mean there's no way to understand how women think or behave. And that's exactly what I want to explore in today's video. So, if you're new here, my name is Vaish, and I'm a men's relationship coach. I help men heal from their traumas, attachment issues, and wounded masculinity so they can build meaningful and healthy connections with women. Now, if you're struggling with abandonment issues, unresolved childhood wounds, or you want to work on healing your attachment style, you can reach out to me through Instagram. You'll find the link down in the description below. So, let's get into how a woman actually falls in love with you, because it's probably not the way most people assume she does. The first thing you need to understand is that for women, falling in love is usually a gradual and layered process. Unlike many men, women generally don't experience an immediate emotional connection or instant attraction that suddenly turns into love. Of course, there are exceptions. Sometimes a woman's nervous system can become highly activated around someone who isn't necessarily good for her. In those situations, the emotional intensity can feel overwhelming. But I'm talking about an emotionally mature woman here. Yes, she may like you the first time she meets you, there may be attraction, there may be infatuation, but please don't mistake infatuation for love. There isn't some magical switch that flips overnight. What often happens is that a woman gradually falls in love through the experience of building trust, safety, reliability, and consistency with you over time, especially during those early weeks of getting to know each other. Her nervous system and even her brain chemistry operate quite differently from yours. A lot is happening beneath the surface based on how she feels when she's around you and the emotional experience she has in your presence. The most important thing you need to understand is this. If a woman genuinely feels safe with you, she will slowly begin to trust you. And safety isn't just about loyalty or being protective. Safety is also about reliability. When you say you're going to do something, do your actions back up your words? When you make a promise, do you follow through on it? Because the moment you stop keeping your word, trust slowly begins to erode, not only within the relationship, but also within her perception of you. This is why women tend to fall in love through emotional buildup rather than through a sudden burst of infatuation. Of course, attraction matters. Nobody starts dating someone they're completely unattracted to. But over time, she's paying attention to your behavior. She's observing how you show up in the connection. She's noticing whether your actions create a sense of safety. And if she doesn't feel safe around you, one of two things often happens. Either she begins to pull away from the connection, or she starts crossing your boundaries. And here's something many men don't understand. When a woman allows you to repeatedly violate your boundaries, it can actually damage her sense of safety as well. Because if she can walk all over your boundaries, then anyone else can too. On a subconscious level, it signals that you're not willing to stand up for yourself, and that weakens the trust and stability she needs to feel secure in the relationship.